Founded in 1987 on family values, entrepreneurship, and teamwork, we are BBB Industries. We are innovative. We are thinkers. We are creators. We imagine what's possible, and we evolve. We are sustainable manufacturing for the future. Over 35 years ago, BBB quickly became known for high-quality remanufactured parts throughout the automotive industry. Today, we produce game-changing solutions that are leading the way, not only in North America, but worldwide. We are committed to sustainable manufacturing to help our environment and our customers run more efficiently. We continue to expand our technological capabilities with our EV battery and solar technology division. The BBB team is working to provide a future by remanufacturing, repurposing, and recycling. We've been recognized for our high-quality work while providing a safe environment. BBB has been ranked as one of the best places to work, and we continue to draw in professionals who want new challenges. We're driving to create a more sustainable world, where we are and around the globe. We are BBB Industries. We innovate for the future.